Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the big update from NPTEL regarding January to April 2020 examination and refund. So first I will talk about the second cancellation form the NPTEL issued for the people who want to cancel the exam, the people who wish to cancel the exam January to April semester exam. And the next thing, I will address some questions which I am getting frequently from last 2 weeks regarding the cancellation, the people who have got mail regarding the first cancellation of the examination, but still they have some problems and they have not received their amount in the bank. So let me first talk about the second cancellation and refund form. So NPTEL last day on July 13th, the NPTEL resumed the second cancellation form. So if you wish to cancel the NPTEL exam, you can fill up the form and you can cancel. The form link is not available on the NPTEL website directly. So don't worry guys, I will give the link in video description as well as in comment section. You can fill up the form. So what is the thing? Let me tell you. So if you have already got the refund by cancelling the exam, you need not to do anything. The second thing, if you wish to write exam whenever the NPTEL will conduct, then you need not to do anything, because by default the NPTEL will assume you are going to write the exam if you don't fill the exam cancellation and refund form. Okay guys, now coming to the third questions, you may asking that when the NPTEL will conduct exam, what will be the mode of exam. So those all things I am going to cover. So at first let me speak about the cancellation process, the people who wish to cancel the exam, and then after I will address the some questions. So if you wish to cancel the exam, means once you apply cancellation for the exam, then you will not supposed to give any other chance to write the exam whenever the NPTEL will conduct examination for this January to April 2020 semester. Okay guys, once you cancel, you will not get the next chance to write the exam for this. If you are again enrolling for July to December semester, you can write for that, appear for that, no worries. So once you cancel the exam, then NPTEL is going to refund you 80% of your amount you have paid. Okay, and 200 they are going to cut off towards the charge, like you got the modified pass certificate or those mark sheet, score sheet you got. So regarding those all administration charges they are charging. So 80% of your fee you will get that. Okay guys. So this form opened yesterday on July 13th, and this form will be opened till July 20, Monday 12 p.m. So if you are in dilemma whether you are going to cancel the exam or write the exam, then you have still some time, enough time to think and decide. You have 6 days more to decide that what you are going to do. So you decide and you do. Okay. So if you have cancelled the exam already in your hand, you have to modify it pass. But the demerit is there. On basis of modified pass certificate, those courses completed towards domain certificate as well as in faculty development program, AICT faculty development program, those certificate will not be counted. Okay guys, so if you want to know more about the domain certificate, star certificate, how to enroll NPTEL best courses, then you can go and check my playlist Deepco Tech Guru in channel. You go check the playlist. There is one playlist named NPTEL information. You will get all those details, very details around each video of 30 minutes. So you will clear with all the doubts. Okay. So this is the form link. If you want to cancel the exam, you can click on this. I will provide this link in video description as well as in comment section. You can click there and you can fill it up. After going that, at last you have to click here and you will get the form. So first, if you have not logged in, with NPTEL side with your Gmail account, then you have to first log in, and then after I will log out and show you what type of interface you will get. So this is the interface, and once you click here, probably you are going to get this, and you have to log in. Either you can give username, password, or using Google you can log in, and it will show your details and what are the courses and the amount you have paid. So option 1 means you are still waiting for the time NPTEL will conduct exam, and you are going to write the exam, whatever the mode will be. So you select option 1, or you need not to do anything as you are going to write the exam. If you want to cancel, you click on second here, cancel and refund, and click submit like this. So once you click submit, you can see the option is please, this is updated. Tick to proceed. Like that you will get the information, and this is done. So once you cancel, you done. Okay, you have to first tick this. Sorry. After clicking, you have to tick that and you have to select. So this is not showing anything. This is update. If you have doubt, then you can again refresh the window and check the option. Okay, still it is here. But I am going to write the exam, so I am going to select this and submit. So I have shown you the demonstration how you can go and select the option for cancellation. So you can see here selected option has been updated, like that information I will. And after changing, I will refresh, then I will get this option because I selected this. Okay guys, so I hope now I am clear with that. And regarding this, after this cancellation, around within 2 weeks you will get the next refund. Already 1 lakh people has already cancelled, learner has already cancelled the exam and got the refund, and 60,000 is still in waiting list. So for them, this is the second form. If someone is planning, then can apply for cancellation and get refund 80% of the paid amount. Okay guys, now let me go and introduce the remaining questions what I am getting from frequently last 2 weeks. So the fourth question is that the person who was going to write the exam, willing to write the exam, then when the exam will be conducted. Guys, NPTEL is clearly mentioning on the website, that NPTEL will conduct examination whenever it will be possible, and sorry, that is not there here. Whenever it will be possible and based on the government guidelines. So as you know, the COVID-19 is increasing rapidly. So whenever the NPTEL will find the appropriate time, they will conduct the examination. And the mode of examination may be varied. Maybe in personal examination. In personal means you have to appear on the center and you have to write the exam, or you can write from the home, that is remote protected examination. So NPTEL will come with any one solution, like you have to go on center and write, or you can write from your home, or both solution the NPTEL will come. The NPTEL will also may come with the person who can write from home, they will write, and the remaining person can go on center and write. Those type of solution may NPTEL will come. Here NPTEL is clearly mentioning that and or. So I hope you know the logical and logical or. So I need not to give more clarity on that. So this is the mode of examination is still not confirmed, and the date is also not confirmed. Okay guys, and you have the next question coming in your mind. What happened that once the NPTEL will announce the date for exam and you can't appear on that date? like your college exam is also not completed, so on that same schedule your college exam will be or any other plan will be there, then at that time NPTEL will again open the cancellation form, so you can cancel at that point of time. Okay guys, I am clear. Whenever the NPTEL will announce the date of examination, at the same time NPTEL will also announce one new cancellation form. If you can't appear, if you can't find the time is suitable as per your routine schedule and those all things, then you can cancel the exam and you will get the same amount, 80% refund of your fee. Okay guys, now I hope I am very clear with this. Okay guys, and the next question is where you will get that refund amount. Guys, those refund amount you will get the account which you have used at the time of payment. So like if you have used your account or friend account or your father account, parent account, then you will get refund in. If you have used college account, sports center or BillDex, then you will get those amount in the college account. You can meet the spouse of your college. You can ask your HOD of your department about the spouse. Who is the spouse of your college? Mostly the college has one spouse from the NPTEL. You can ask and you can contact him and you can get your refund. Or you can directly write email to the NPTEL on the email support@nptel.iitm.ac.in. You can write your email, your doubts on that. NPTEL will definitely help you. Okay guys. So this way, if you have paid by the KFE, computer center, cyber center, then you meet that person. If those person account you have used, you will get refund on the same account. The next question, most of you are asking that is the person who applied for the cancellation of exam earlier got refund? Yes. All people who had applied for cancellation of exam has got the refund amount. And still some people have some problem, they have not got the refund due to technical glitch. So what the next step you have to proceed? So if you had already filled the form, first cancellation form, then you might have got one email that your amount has been successfully refunded, check your account. Like that something mail you have got from the NPTEL side. And while checking your account, if you have not got the amount, then what the next step? The next step is you have to download the bank statement, your account statement or transaction history of your account. The account which you have used to pay the amount. The same account, transaction history or bank statement you have to download from the date of you paid the NPTEL fee to till date. The date you are going to email, on that date, up to that date you have to download that statement and you have to attach in the email, and you have to email on the address support@nptel.iitm.ac.in. Don't worry, I will provide this email ID in video description as well as in comments. And in subject you can write regarding refund amount not yet received for January to April 2020 examination. And in mail body you can write your name and the issue. That like I had cancelled the exam and I applied for refund. I got the email that you got your refund and you can check your account, but while I am checking the account I have not got the amount. So please kindly check the details and issue my refund as soon as possible. And in note you can write, you can find my bank account details in attachment. or you can find my bank statement, account statement in attachment, and you do attachment and you email to NPTEL. Within 48 hours the NPTEL will look into issue and they will definitely refund your amount. So this is all about the queries what I had got. And if you wish to enroll any new courses, domain certificate if you want, or star certificate, or if you want to get the BTech honor certificate, or if you want to get more knowledge about how you can select the best courses from NPTEL, you can go and check my playlist NPTEL information. Still, if you want the more solution Coursera courses, then you can check my playlist. I am providing solution for different Coursera courses, and in this semester I am also going to provide around 7 courses, NPTEL courses, complete solution. So guys, you can join and you can subscribe my channel and stay tuned with Dipko Tech Guru, and you will get a lots of help during the courses and assignment. And I am also maintaining website of Dipko Tech Guru. Soon I will introduce you all with that website, so you can easily find all those solutions over there, and you can get more benefit from the my Dipko Tech Guru channel. So you can also join the Telegram group of Dipko Tech Guru for this type of update. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your lots of faculty, friends, colleagues, and WhatsApp group, any other group. So they will definitely going to appreciate you for sharing this valuable information. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, take care. Tune with Dipko Tech Guru and stay learning. Have a good time.